Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a common Windows 11 frustration, when your computer cannot connect to a printer. Whether you're getting error messages, the printer isn't being detected, or connections keep failing, I've got you covered with these practical solutions to get your printing back on track. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Printer connection issues often stem from driver problems, network settings, or simple configuration errors. First, let's run the built-in Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Press Windows key +I to open Settings, then go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Printer in the list and click Run. This automated tool can often detect and fix common connection issues automatically. If that doesn't work, let's check your printer's basic connectivity. Ensure your printer is powered on, has paper, and shows no error lights. For USB connections, try a different USB port and cable. For network printers, verify the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Now, let's update your printer drivers. Press Windows key +X and select Device Manager. Expand the Print Queues section, right-click your printer, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers, and let Windows find the latest drivers. For network printers, let's check your network discovery settings. Press Windows key +I, go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Advanced Sharing Settings. Make sure Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing are turned on for your current network profile. If you're still having issues, let's restart the Print Spooler Service. Press Windows key +R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Print Spooler in the list, right-click it, and select Restart. If it's not running, select Start. For persistent connection problems, try removing and reinstalling the printer completely. Go to Settings of Bluetooth and Devices of Printers and Scanners, select your printer, click Remove Device, then click Add Device to reinstall it fresh. As a last resort, check your Windows updates and ensure you have the latest quality updates installed, as these often include printer-related fixes. I know how frustrating printer issues can be when you need to print important documents. One of these solutions should resolve your connection problem. For most users, running the Troubleshooter or updating drivers does the trick. If this guide helped you get your printer working again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.